Once the kings of North America's grasslands, the bison is a symbol of resilience, strength, and survival. These mighty giants, often called thunder on the plains, have shaped ecosystems and history alike. Bison are the largest land mammals in North America, with males weighing up to 2,000 pounds. Despite their immense size, they can reach speeds of 35 miles per hour. Powerful bursts of speed for an animal that seems built for slow, steady movement. Historically, bison herds once roamed the continent in staggering numbers, over 30 million strong, shaping the very landscape they lived on. Their grazing habits promote biodiversity by pruning grasses and helping new plants grow, while their heavy steps aerate the soil. In the mating season, these otherwise peaceful giants display raw power. Males compete by butting heads, the sound of their clashes echoing across the plains, a reminder of their ancient strength. But the bison's true resilience shines in winter. With thick fur and a dense layer of fat, they endure freezing temperatures, sweeping snow aside with their massive heads to uncover grass hidden below. Yet, their story is one of both tragedy and triumph. By the late 19th century, overhunting pushed bison to the brink of extinction, with fewer than 1,000 remaining. Thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers have rebounded, and these giants once again roam protected lands. The bison is more than a survivor. It is a symbol of wild beauty and the power of restoration. A reminder that with care, even the most endangered giants can reclaim their place in the world. If their story inspired you, share and subscribe to the Wild Encyclopedia. Together, let's celebrate and protect the wonders of our natural heritage. Until next time, farewell.